Hi, this is a video to show you how to use Geogebra, a really powerful visual app that will help us with the work that we're going to do on systems of equations, especially when we start looking at planes and where the planes intersect. So if you do a simple Google search for Geogebra, as I've got over here, this page will come up and you look for the Geogebra Classic. You click on that and you get this screen appearing. Now, just to explain something about the screen, we have down the left-hand side over here an algebra area. It's an area where we can input equations and things like that. And here we've got a graphing area. Across the top, there's a ribbon that's got a lot of different tools that we can use and that we will use at a later stage. Now, at the moment, what we got here is a two-dimensional set of axes. We want to change that. Now, in order to change that, you go up to the top right hand corner to these three lines that you've got over here. If you click on that and go down to view, you're going to want to change the view of this thing. Now, you can see over here we've got the 2D graphics. We just unclick that and go down to 3D graphics, and hey presto, we've now got a set of axes, three sets of axes to create our three-dimensional plane zone, and that allows us to have something that we can play around with. Now, what's quite nice, you'll see on the top over here, is that we've got the option to rotate the way in which we view this, so we can view the plane from different perspectives, and that's going to come in really useful. Now, in order to put a plane in, all we have to do is simply go and enter in an equation, x minus y minus z equals 1, and there we've got our plane. If we take our rotational view, we can rotate that round and we can see, all right, okay, we've got our plane. We can see where it's crossing the x and y axis, where it's crossing the z axis, all those sorts of features. So that's really neat and handy. We can now put a second equation in. Let's make it x plus y plus z equals 2. And now I've got two planes, possibly a little bit harder to see. They've got different opaquenesses, but we can see if we go and rotate this around that we can see, okay, we've got two planes that are intersecting. Now, we are going to possibly want to find or look at those lines of intersection, and in order to do that, we go to this function over here, this green cone, and it says it's going to provide you with the intersection of two surfaces. So all you have to do is click on that, click on the one surface that you want, click on the second surface that you want, and they will go and give you the line of intersection of those two, and there it is over here. They give you an equation for it in parametric form, but we don't need to worry too much about that at this stage. All we know is we've now got that line of intersection. So this is a very brief but explanatory explanation as to how we get into this. I say it's a very powerful tool to have so that you can visualize what's happening with these planes as we work with them. So have a play around with it. It's a really useful tool, and the bonus on top of that is that the whole thing is free. So have a play, have fun. Thank you. Goodbye.